This is Michelle Hammerell. As this David
Hammerly!
said.
It's Michelle Hammerly, you
Hammerly.
dork!
And they are playing
Oh!
Goof Troop.
Just keep yourself as bait.
She's in my English class.
Need to move out of the
She's
way.
very crazy. She's just like me. And there's
No, she
Kelly.
ain't.
And they're playing video games. And this is
You need to help
Christmas
me.
recital.
Get up! Get
Bye.
up!
This is our Christmas recital.
Hello.
There's Ann Porch. That's Megan Porch. Hey, Michelle, get back here.
Yeah. Hey, hello.
That's Dave. Yeah, that's
You're
David.
recording.
Yeah, I know I'm recording. What do you think I was doing? Ew, that's Kelly.
Why are you recording us?
And that's Audrey.
Hello. Hi.
I'm recording you people because I like to record.
Why'd you hit me?
Michael lost the keys.
There were other keys around where you're sitting.
Hey, Michelle.
I messed up.
I see.